looking at her face and never forget.
I'm much more nervous here than I am, on tour with my fans, and because I know that I'm there and I have that connection with my fans, so that's all love 24/7. But here it's like, okay, people are going to be looking at me. They're not going to be screaming like I'm used to, and it's going to be nerve-wracking. But hopefully, if I pull it off, we'll be all right. So.
Who do you want to meet the most tonight?
Miranda Kerr, yeah, for obvious reasons. And Simon Baker is like my idol, I swear, and I see him over there, and he's The Mentalist is like my favorite TV show, and I'm excited to meet him and especially perform for all these people too.
I can't get you off my mind. I can't get you off my mind. Give me the chance to love you. I tell you the only reason why. Yeah. 'Cause you are on my mind.
I'm pretty much dating my music right now. Like and every time I'm seen in public with a girl, everyone loves to assume that we're dating, and like according to the media and stuff, I've had like 4 girlfriends in the last month. Like it's crazy. Actually, I had a few weeks off over the holidays, so having a good time, and going out on tour next month. So I'm gonna start the busyness of 2012 and of the new year. So.